Assalamualaikum everyone and welcome back to Solana video update. Today Sunday 13th of November. We're looking at Solana right now with the 3 black crows. Once again, let's go to Google and let's talk about this pattern in detail. So boom, right there, Google, and I'm gonna search in there 3 black crows just like that. And if we begin to check that, the image is right there and we can see that you do have this pattern right over here, and you can see 3 red candles back to back, 1 big green candle, and a move to the lowest part of it. My stupid dumb internet doesn't actually work because I need a very clear image to show you right there. Thank God this one actually loaded up to be very crispy and HD and 3D and whatnot, and HQ, high quality definition. And you can see these 3 red candles back to back and 1 green candle, boom, all the way moved to the downside. I want to go back to my charts. Where's my stupid charts? Yeah, here it is. So this is what we're looking for, and I told you back in the days that this is gonna be you know, like 1 red candle, 2nd red candle, another huge sell off to the downside. If you go back into the 4-hour time frame as well, you can already see that we made a ugly looking bear flag, and I told you that this is a technical target to come down to nearly 6.32. All you do is you go down like this, make a false move to the upside known as a flag, and you break down and you continue just to the same distance you came from. Here's the same distance you're going to continue to go lower down there. That's pretty much it for this update. Just a very short quick one. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.